Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can claim a magic Eden token airdrop, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So over here, once you have opened your magic Eden app, this is how the interface is gonna look like. And if you're eligible and if you have got the magic token over here, Eden token, what you're going to do is simply going to tap on claim now, and you will go through the claiming process right at over there, and you will be able to claim it right away. But in case if you don't see it, tap on the browser at the bottom right. Then it will check for your eligibility. Go ahead, provide the information, and if you're eligible, the browser will give you this kind of interface. Tap on proceed. Right, once I proceeded further, you will have to go through the on-screen prompts. Go ahead, provide the information and confirm it. You will be able to claim your Eden tokens airdrop over there. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.